of Dayat Nongpo. So Kanegariga result jong kibade poka Dayat Nongpo. All candidates selected for the admission of the 2-year diploma in elementary education DLED program for the academic session 23-25 should join and report to the office of this institute from the 4th August. Nadu South August haven't joined. 23 to 18 August Friday, failing which their seat will be forfeited and given to those candidates in the waiting list. Selected candidate who report after the set date will not be entertained. Mudba kitu candidate ki bom one report last date kan dekat pra August. Mudba kin do no kin yo no daki waiting list. Induction program for the selected first year student teachers of the academic session 23-25 will be held from the 8 August 23 to 11 August 23. All first year student teachers should attend without fail. So the list of the candidates are following is the list of the selected candidate along with the waiting list for admission to the 2-year diploma in elementary education course for the academic year 23-25. Renoldi Senjoin, Iban Tista Thaba, Caroline Sim, Pilarisha Nongshli, Dapira Kimde, Trustful Maring, Dilin Shalingdo, Walam Kopar Karbani, Biang Hun Maupnyang, Pilabet Limba, Jessica Pinsgovasten, Diba, Linda Makri, Linsa, Dona K. Pomtia, Matilda Nongrum, Jibon Roy Ridshong, Pinshad Borlang Makri, Aida Shisha Marbo, Even Jalin Moyong, Keyan Rika Lingdo, 20 Riganti Purtu, Payabas Kem Kharkongor, Lada Mapi Marsing, Wanjing Shai Walang, Pdeng Hun Mukim, Banrihun Karluki, Andrea Kharmuti, Joplang Mukim, Banisha Lingdo, Punimas Im, Abapala Suting, Ban Kmilang Makdo, Sendro B, Grace Linda Matlai, Elizabon Linsiang, Ayusha Nongbusap, War Hen Rendong, Banrihun Nongrum, Aida Hun Lingkoi, Rishan Bok Moksha, Bariti and Jalong, Pertis Martin, Banshan Bor Maupnyang, Larishisha Nongrang, Dari Shalingdo, Kordorlin Nongse, Liza Nika Kharhujon, Pringseng Koksi Sangma, Pindarti Nongplang, Yasukling Sokwai, Bristina Patau. So hapo Nongpo kidon Sanpo seat. So these are the list of the candidates. Then the waiting list are Priyanka Hansepi, Lenian C. Sinclair, Piba Penjanai Lapang, Iban La Shadab, Rida Hun Lingdo, Lakantiu Lingdo, Mebon CCM, Bobby Shah Shadab, Darisha Ketongni, Iban Hun Nongkanre, Iba Kemen Lang Maring, Bante Lang Lingdo, Angeles Mujai, Meba Daker Marai, Manisha Chalam, Pentingan Lang Sujai, Dawan Risha Makri, Budlang Kela, Lobdaya Lalu, Johnson Singkli, Kerlang Sten, Damut Maring, Jameris Maring, Sirpa Shisha Kharsono, Ibani Lingkring, Cornelia Rii Ka Singkli, Kabinitado, Korbar Ingti, Rilang Sweetland Singkli, Wandamon Langi, Kenjai Lari Tumung, Larishan B, Jaya Shri Rangsa, Samuel Jun Makdo, Dahun Shisha Nongshli, Minishat Marlang, Emlang Singkli, Mar Shisha Kharsano, Warlam Suk Shadab, Berniki Khongla, Ri Akor Shella, Lingai Singilingdo, Driuda Nongrum, Anisha Nongplu, Nishal Thankiu, Kopal Rongpi, Margina Asim, Ferlin Nongshli, Alvin Marwen, Yarasuk, Jalong. So these are the 50 waiting lists and the 50 selected candidates. Tekan mau kini belayo selected, kapan lay report, kan mau nadu kasau tarik, hadu kat pra tarik, any days tuma kelas date kendai kat pra, piaban lay report, lay hakine kita tarik kibeladap ai, ladap him lay bapapin, du no ekasit kejung pi, bet kinyo no ki waiting list. Tangkini kejung tip, kebetulan.